Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Warzone 2 not launching problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution has several steps. After doing these steps, we will try to enter the game. First, we open Steam. We go into the library. Right-click on Warzone 2. Click on Manage and browse local files. In this way, we opened the game's file location. We find the cod.exe file in this file and right-click on the file. Click Properties. From the top menu, we click on Compatibility. We select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click on Apply and OK. For the second step, click on Documents from the left menu. Right-click on the Call of Duty file and delete it. This file will be created automatically when we open the game again. Our files were not deleted. For our third step, we type graphic settings in the search. Here are the applications on our computer. Click Browse. We find the Steam folder. After we find the Steam folder, we click on the Steam Apps folder. Click on Common folder. Here are the games we have installed on Steam. Click on Call of Duty. Click once on the cod.exe file and click Add. Call of Duty has been added. Click on Options. We select High Performance. In this way, our computer will provide high performance when running Call of Duty. We click Save. Our fourth step is to uninstall other anti-cheat applications installed on our computer. For example, FaceEye Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard. These applications conflict while running Call of Duty Warzone 2 and prevent the game from opening. To delete, we write Control Panel in the search section. Click on Uninstall a program under Programs. We remove anti-cheat applications. Then you can quickly download these applications again while entering the game. However, while playing Call of Duty, you need to uninstall these applications. For example, we right-click on Riot Vanguard and click Uninstall. Say yes to the pop-up window. The app has been removed. We have uninstalled the anti-cheat program. For our fifth step, we open the Task Manager. You can open it by typing it in the search field. As you can see, here are the applications running on our computer. Among these applications, we need to close the applications that you know what they do but do not need while playing games. For example, Discord, Xbox Game Bar. Especially if the Xbox Game Bar is open, right-click and end task. We have closed unnecessary applications running in the background, like Xbox Game Bar, Razer, Logitech and Nvidia apps. Our sixth step is to turn off antivirus programs. If we are using an antivirus program other than Windows Security or Windows Defender, we need to close this program while entering the game. This program may be blocking the game from opening. Antivirus programs are usually located in the hidden icons. If there is an active antivirus program here, right-click on the program and click Exit or Disable. This was our sixth step. For our seventh step, we enter Steam or Battlenet. For Steam, right-click on the game. Click Properties. From the left menu, we click on Local Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Battlenet Launcher, click on Settings next to Play. Scan and Repair will appear. You can verify the file integrity of the game by clicking Scan and Repair. In this way, if there is an incorrect or missing file, the launcher will download these files and put them where the game is installed. File scanning is complete. Steam will download the 13 files that appear here and update the game. This was our seventh and final step. Now you can enter the game and check if the error is resolved. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to reinstall the game. But we will not reinstall the game files. So the reinstallation process will take 3 minutes. We open Steam. Right-click on the game. Click on Manage and browse local files. In this way, we have come to the file location of the game. We copy all the files found here with Ctrl-A and Ctrl-C. Click on Common. Here we create a new folder. It doesn't matter what the name of the folder is. We paste the files we just copied into this folder. We are waiting for the process to finish. The copying process has finished. We come to the common folder and delete the Call of Duty folder. Then open Steam and right-click on the game. Click on Manage and uninstall. Don't worry, our game wasn't deleted. The files are still there. Now click on Install again. Here, we click Next. As you can see, our new file has been created. Call of Duty is downloading. We stop the download. After the game file is created, we right-click on the download we started. Click on Manage and uninstall. Before clicking Install, we select the game files we have copied and cut them with Ctrl+X. Then we click on the Call of Duty HQ folder that Steam has just created. Here we paste the files. Click on Steam and click Install. We make sure that the same file location is selected. Click on Next. As you can see, Warzone 2 is downloading again. Here it is not downloading the files, it is repairing them. In this way, without deleting the game files, we have reinstalled the game. We are waiting for the process to finish. Process completed. Click Finish. Now we can play the game. This was our second solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.